Easy way to convert AutoCAD lines to polyline. Suppose that we have this shape and we want to convert it to polyline. First, let's take these lines, the outside lines, this and this, this and this and this and this and this, the last one. We make control copy, escape, we put it here, control V. Here is the outside lines. Let's make them ordinary lines by layer. I put here all the lines. I make thin lines by layer and with no color by layer. Now these are several lines, but every line is alone. There is arch here, arch here. This shape is very difficult to calculate the area. If I want to calculate the area of this shape and the outside length, I need to convert this to polyline. The procedure is like this. I write here B in English, B polyline. This is the B polyline. I click on it. This square opens. Here it is written big lines. Here there is region and polyline. I don't need the region, I need the polyline, this polyline. I click here on pick points, then inside this shape I click. Now the shape, I click again. I want to make it again B, this by layer, escape, B, poly. I come here, big points, I make click here, then outside, close, and enter. Now this area is polyline. I want to move it from the original area by move from here to here. Now this shape has its lines. Every line is alone. It is very difficult to find the area from this shape, but this shape is a polyline. I can take the area by making right click, then properties. The properties of this polyline are here. Everything is written. I go down until I reach area and length. It is here. I want to make for this print screen. I take this area only. I make copy like this, then escape, control V. I bring this here. Now I want to make this big more. Now this polyline has this area. It is 487.3988, and the length, this length from here to here for all this outside line, this outside line length is 113.3846. By this way I could convert this shape, this very difficult shape, to easy shape with one polyline, and I could find its area and its length by easy way. I hope this was useful. Thank you very much.